Okay, so I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can access a Zoom link in the chat. So if there's a link in the chat, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to access it, to use it. So the first way number 1, is some people are just able to just click on it. You can just left click or maybe one finger. You just one finger click on it. And for some people, that will allow you to access the chat. For some people, it won't. So here's way number 2, if way number 1 didn't work for you. You can triple click really fast, 1, 2, 3. You can triple click on the link, and then you can press Command and C at the same time. Command and C, and that means Command copy. And then you can open up a new tab, and you can press Command V at the same time. You can press Command V at the same time. Or if you don't want to do Command C, Command V, you can come back, you can triple click, and you can press right click. So you right click, triple click, right click, copy, and then you can go right click, or sometimes it's 2-finger click, depending on the type of computer you're using. So right click on a mouse, or 2-finger click on some computers. And then to get here, you 2-finger click or right click again, paste, and press enter. And that's way number 2. Way number 3, if that doesn't work either, is you can click right next to it and then hold down your click. So don't let go. Hold down your click, and see I'm highlighting all of it slowly. And then I can do the same thing. I can do either Command C, or I can do 1, 2, 3. I can do copy and then paste. So that's 3 different ways that we can access a Zoom link in the chat.